everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are not new, then welcome back. Normally I bring you guys makeup videos, but today I have got a Fashion Nova haul. This is just a nondescript package here, but I promise it's from Fashion Nova. So if you guys would like to see a Fashion Nova plus size / Fashion Nova curve haul, and it is an all black haul because that's all I wear. If you'd like to see that video, then just stay tuned. So I got quite a couple of dresses, pieces from Fashion Nova. I have shopped there before, but I've never done a try on haul video like this. So if you guys like this style of video where I'm telling you about the item, my size, how it's fitting, then leave a thumbs up and I will do more fashion related videos. The first dress that I have got is called the Puppy Love dress. This is a black half sleeve button down dress, kind of a midi length, and it is off the shoulder. I absolutely love this kind of shape. It's like that Bridget Bardot style of dress. It is a bodycon dress, so it is very kind and flowing over my curves. Makes them look extra nice. I don't actually have a strapless bra at the moment that I really like. I think if you have a bigger bust, finding a strapless bra that doesn't break your will to live is nearly impossible. So if you're like me and you have a bigger chest, please leave your favorite strapless bra recommendations down below because I would really love to find a solid one. But yeah, this dress is great. I got this in a size XL. I normally hover between a size 12-14, so XL just felt like a good size for this item. And I did read the reviews on this and a lot of people said to size down. So normally I'm comfortable at a 1X in Fashion Nova, so that's why I chose to get this in an extra large. But I think that this is just a super flattering cut. I think it's adorable with some like little high top sneakers if you want to keep it more casual, but it's also a beautiful dress to dress up in the evening with some heeled booties. That's one of my favorite looks. I'm definitely really into the button down though because that really elongates me. It makes me look a little bit slimmer, which is never an issue in my book, just to give me those nice clean lines. This next dress I've got here is one that I honestly have already worn because it is so stinking comfortable. It is called the Jojo Dress and this is in a size 1X. So this fits me, normally this fits me great, not too tight, not too loose. It is a cap sleeve bodycon dress with a slightly high neck, and it is once again a midi dress. It's just kind of like that really flattering column shape. I wear that a lot of the time. I will wear it with shapewear, without shapewear. I really don't care. It just depends on my mood. But Fashion Nova does this dress really well. It is lined as well. The Puppy Love dress isn't, but the Jojo dress that I'm holding up now is lined. It is really comfortable, just a really amazing silhouette. There's definitely a running theme here with tight black bodycons, but if it's the summer, which it is now, I don't think it's technically summer, I think I've got a couple of days left, but where I live, it is currently 95 degrees, hence the bun today. Just, I can't bear to have like any of my hair down, it's just too hot. But this is the Anna dress from Fashion Nova. It's just a little tube midi dress, really comfortable. Once again, I don't have a strapless bra, so I need to sort that out, and my boobs are too big to go braless, sadly. But if you do have smaller boobs, definitely, or if you're just comfortable going braless, that's none of my business. You do your thing. This is just, once again, a really flattering silhouette. Easy to throw on. You can wear it with literally anything. Wrap around the leg sandals, cute little sneakers. You could wear it with ankle boots. The sky is the limit. You can throw a little t-shirt over the top of this and knot it, and then it'll function as a pencil skirt as well. I just think it's such an important piece to have in a closet, especially mine, just because I can wear it so many different ways and through the seasons. And like the Jojo dress, the Anna dress is lined, And I don't know if I already mentioned, but this is in a 1X as well. So the next item I have is the Juliana wide leg jumpsuit. And this one is definitely gonna be really hard to show on camera until it's on my body. But this is a really huge, flowy, shapeless jumpsuit. There are armholes in the side here and like an off the shoulder neckline. Obviously you can like go fully off the shoulder if you want, or you can just kind of keep it up over the shoulders but still have that like nice kind of boat neck shape. Completely shapeless in the middle, as you can see, and then it flows out to like a wider leg silhouette. I think that this is an amazing design. I'm kind of one of those people that I like tight clothes and I like very loose clothes. So a piece like this will function really well for me, and all of the reviews said to size down, so I bought this in an XL, and I think it's super cool and super cute, and I would wear it with little flat sandals or little ankle boots. And I'm gonna show you it without a belt and then with a belt, because as much as I love shapeless, sometimes I do really like to snatch in my waist and cinch it, and it obviously gives you another opportunity to accessorize, so that's amazing as well. But I don't know, I think that sometimes it is genuinely too hot to wear a tight dress, and when that happens, stuff like this is my best friend. The last item that I have got for you today are the Walk It to the Pier pants. And these are, again, really baggy, flowy pants. They have a nice cinched high waist on them. I can show you, it's like a really like stretchy material up at the waistband. These are a size XL. A lot of people said to size down. I would really recommend with Fashion Nova. A lot of people say that the size chart is really hard to follow. I feel like a lot of the time you sit between two sizes and just read the reviews. If it's too new of an item, a lot of the time I'll just sit and wait to buy it until some reviews come in, and then I can make an informed decision then. But yeah, these pants are super flowy and amazing and would look perfect with a little crop top. I will show it with a little crop top and leave a link if I can find one down below for whichever one that I am wearing. But I didn't buy a crop top to go with it through Fashion Nova. But I just think these pants are great. I think having flowy clothing is so important in the summer. You need that air, you need that ventilation. And then also, if you have thick thighs like I do, chub rub is real. Chub rub is, or chafing, or whatever you want to call it, it is such a real thing if you're bigger, or if you're smaller and you just have big thighs. Like, pants like this are important, you know? Not every day do you want to have to worry about that. So on those days, you can just throw on these pants and a cute little crop top or a regular top and knot it up any which way. I just think that stuff like this is really important, and you feel cute and comfortable at the same time. So that was my little Fashion Nova curve haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because that is how I keep videos coming to you guys, and you get notified of my whereabouts, my comings, my goings. And definitely leave a comment below letting me know which of the items you are loving the most, or what you would check out yourself. And I look forward to speaking to you guys again soon. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Bye.